Namaskara, as we say in these parts. I welcome you all to an evening by COCDC, the Council of State Industrial Development and Investment Corporations of India. I'm Vasanthi Hariprakash. I'm an independent journalist and anchor. I come from the world of radio and television, and I'm very happy to be invited to present such a significant program that celebrates entrepreneurship and is the award for the outstanding entrepreneurs. But ladies and gentlemen, while I welcome you all, you have come from different parts of the country, we also happen to be in mourning today. We have lost a very great soul, and I would like to tell those of you who are coming to Karnataka for the first time a few things about this great man who could be truly called a God man, Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Swami. He was not just the founder of the Siddhaganga Education Trust, but right from primary education to the master's degree to technical and medical education, millions of lives have been touched by the Swami. The mutt under his guidance provides food, education, and shelter, which is called the Trivida Dasoha, to more than 10,000 students from the ages of 5 to 16 at any given point of time. And on a personal note, I must share with you that 5 years back, when he was 106 years old, when I met him on an occasion in Tumkur where he was based, you could see that he was a living inspiration. Nadedado Devaru, as he is called, the walking God. May I request you all to stand for a minute in silence as a mark of our collective respect to this departed great soul, Sri Sri Sivakumara Swami. And in fact, I'm sure the spirit of Swami will bless this occasion because he stood for things of excellence and some things that would make India proud. On that note, I would like to invite the guests and the dignitaries who are here in our midst to begin this program on a symbolic note by marking the lighting of the lamp. May I first invite Srimati Smita Bharadwaj, IAS, President COCDC and the Managing Director of MPFC, to please proceed towards the auspicious lamp. I also invite Mr. Premnath Ravindranath, Executive Director, Kerala Financial Corporation, and also Mr. K.V. Balikar, Managing Director, EDC Goa, to please light the lamp. Mr. S.L. Sharma, if you could join us too. Also request Ms. Renu Seth from COCDC, New Delhi. From darkness unto light, as they say, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. May more good things happen in all our lives. May we do everything to the best of our abilities. Seats on the dais, Srimati Smita Bharadwaj, Sri Premnath, and Sri K.V. Balikar. And Mr. S.L. Sharma, could you also please join us? Manidko MD. I request all the dignitaries to please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, I now invite Srimati Smita Bharadwaj, who, as everybody vouches for in her team and the people she gets in touch with for her dynamism. In fact, under her stewardship, there have been 3 such award functions of units across the country. But she's also somebody who has served in various capacities as CEO, Zilla Panchayat, Collector and Commissioner in the government of Madhya Pradesh, and also served in various ministries of the government of India. She's a person with varied interests and has written 4 books, including a book on vintage Indore and is currently the president of COSIDC and plays an active role in supporting and achieving the role of the organization. Please put your hands together to welcome Srimati Smita Bharadwaj.
Good evening, Namaskar. I will speak in both languages, English as well as Hindi. देश के कोने से अनेक राज्यों से आज जो उद्यमी यहाँ पे आए हैं, उनको सबसे पहले तो मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आप एक प्रतीक हैं जो देश की प्रगति को दिखाते हैं और किस तरह से हमारी इंडस्ट्रीज़ को आप लोग प्रगति पथ पर लेके जा रहे हैं। ये आप एक तस्वीर हैं उभरते नए भारत की। आज का ये जो कार्यक्रम हम शुरू कर रहे हैं, इसमें दो चीज़ें मैं कहना चाहूँगी। पहले तो ये आज जो बताया हमें गया कि श्री श्री शिव कुमार स्वामी जी एक बहुत बड़े संत थे और 111 साल की उम्र के बाद उनका आज देहावसान हुआ है। तो मेरे ख्याल से कि एक ऐसी आत्मा जिन्होंने इतना काम, इतना दान, चाहे वो शिक्षा का हो या उसमें अन्नदान हो, दोनों प्रकार के जो काम किए हैं, तो ऐसे लोग आजकल संत देखने को ही नहीं मिलते हैं। तो ये लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि इनके जाने के बाद मेरे ख्याल से इनकी शक्ति और बढ़ जाती है, क्योंकि ये भगवान का एक रूप ही होते हैं। और ऐसे संत आत्माओं का आशीर्वाद हमें हमेशा मिलता रहे, ये मैं बस सोच सकती हूँ कि हम सभी को ऐसे आशीर्वाद मिलें। अब जहाँ तक कोसीडीसी का सवाल है, कोसीडीसी को 1976 में बनाया गया था। इट वॉज मेड इन 1976 एंड इट इज़ an umbrella organization of many state finance corporations, industrial development corporations, और हमारे बहुत सारे जो इकट्ठे ग्रुप के हमारी समस्याएं हैं या हमारी अचीवमेंट्स हैं, हम सब साथ मिलके इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं। I've been president for the last 3 years and we've had very good programs organized. The first was in Indore, then it was in Goa, and now it is here in Bangalore. And every year I must say that I'm fascinated by the kind of people, their work, and when I get to know what work they're doing, it's absolutely amazing. So for the SME sector, which is a very important sector for not only just generating employment, but also this is a sector which really gives boost to the economy. बहुत सारे आप लोगों में से उद्यमी ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने बहुत छोटे से शुरुआत करके आप एक मीडियम या बड़े स्तर पे भी पहुंच गए हैं। कर्नाटका की जब भी बात होती है तो कितने बड़े नाम हैं जो कर्नाटक फाइनेंस कॉरपोरेशन से उन्होंने काम शुरू किया था और आज पूरे विश्व में जाने जाते हैं। तो आज का माहौल देखते हुए मैं अपना उद्बोधन बहुत छोटा ही रखना चाहूँगी और बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजन करने में कोसीडीसी के सभी लोग, रेणु जी, संजीव जी, और इसके अलावा यहाँ के जिन लोगों ने अभी तक इतने दिनों से मेहनत करके इतनी सुंदर जगह, इतना सुंदर आयोजन किया है, उनके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी। और बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी कि हम ये चाहते हैं कि आप जैसे लोग अपने परिवार के साथ आएँ। मैं बहुत जगह देखती हूँ कि लोग अपने मित्रों को, परिवार को सब जगह लेके आते हैं, क्योंकि उनके लिए ये अवार्ड पाना एक बहुत बड़ी गर्व की बात होती है। और मुझे लगता है कि ये इट्स आवर प्रिविलेज दैट एंड वी आर वेरी लकी दैट वी आर एबल टू हैंड ओवर दीज अवार्ड्स एट अ पैन इंडिया लेवल। और हर साल इसमें अधिक से अधिक लोग जुड़ते जा रहे हैं, ये बहुत खुशी की बात है. So thank you so much for organizing this wonderful award ceremony function, and all the best to all of you.
धन्यवाद श्रीमती स्मिता भारद्वाज का. And the point about entrepreneurship playing such a crucial and critical part in today's economy of the country is so relevant. Thank you for your address. I would like to now invite Shri Sanjeev Sharma from COCDC to felicitate our dignitaries on the dais. Shri Sanjeev Sharma, please. First to Ms. Smita Bhardwaj. I request you to hand over flowers to Shri Premnath Ravindranath. To Mr. K.V. Balikar. And also to Shri S.L. Sharma. A very significant part of the program now starts, and I would request Ms. Bhardwaj and the dignitaries to hand over the awards. After all, this is the celebration of outstanding entrepreneurship, and you have come from across the country. And I would like to now request the dignitaries and also, of course, the award winners to please be ready as you make your way to the stage one after the other. I would like to call upon Shri V. Sai Srinivasalu Reddy. Congratulations, Shri Srinivasalu Reddy. Assisted by the Andhra Pradesh State Financial Corporation. Dais, next. Thank you so much. May I now invite Shri Ravipati Shanti Sagar from Allegro Specialty Chemicals Private Limited, assisted by the APSFC. आप सभी से दरख्वास्त है, आप इतनी दूर आए हैं, हाँ तालियों की जो गड़गड़ाहट सुनाई देनी चाहिए, because every entrepreneur who comes onto the stage deserves to be honored and celebrated. I request Srimati T. Sulochana to now come onto the stage. BV Rubber Tech. Srimati T. Sulochana represents this company. She also is assisted by the APSFC. After you receive your awards, please stay back for that moment to have your photograph. बहुत ही खास लम्हा होता है. And I know we have a long list, and yet you should get the spotlight. Dr. Srimati Shri Maidili from Maidili Hospitals, assisted by the Andhra Pradesh State Financial Corporation. And as Srimati Maidili makes her way onto the stage, may I invite Srimati Sanna. Many congratulations to all the winners. May I invite Srimati Sanna Reddy. Srinivasalu. May I invite meanwhile Shri G. Krishna Chaitanya Verma. In the interest of time, I'm announcing a name in advance just so that you would be able to come to the stage and be ready to receive this fantastic honor in your name. After Shri P. Srinivasalu, Fun Park, assisted by APSFC, may I invite Shri G. Krishna Chaitanya Verma. Shri Satish A. Shinde, आप आए मंच पर. Astra Metal Systems Private Limited, Shri Satish A. Ramesh Shinde. We welcome you onto the stage. Many congratulations. Assisted by EDC Limited. Meanwhile, Shri Mohanlal Bisnoi. Thank you, जिनकी तरफ से ये तालियां सुनाई दे रही हैं. I think let's keep the energy going, ladies and gentlemen, and a lot of children also. I see it's fantastic to see you here. बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि आप भी शामिल हैं. श्री मोहनलाल बिश्नोई, रामदेव प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज, EDC लिमिटेड. मैं श्री लाडू बाबलो गवास फ्रॉम ABAB इंडस्ट्रीज.